Anyways, what going on, people? So I tried this the other day, right? And it came out kind of good, but there were some troubleshooting that I needed to do in order to make sure it's coming out the right way. So for the people who would like to use their sandwich makers to make pancakes, you can do it. I'm gonna show you how I do it. First of all, the type of pancake that I use is the pre-mix. If you want to make the pancake mix yourself, then you can do that. I just know that I don't know how it's going to turn out when you use that version because I use the premix, but it should be the same thing. The sandwich maker that I have is the premium sandwich maker. That's the name of the brand. As long as the sandwich maker look like that, then you should be good to go. On see some paper towel under the sandwich maker. The first time I did it, right, I put too much of the butter inside and it kind of spill over. So this time now, I'm a little bit more measured and precise. So there isn't really any butter spilling over, but I put it there just in case. The cup size that I use, or what I use to put it inside there, it is a, hold on, it's dripping. Look, it's a quarter cup measuring thing. 60 milliliters is it right there. So that's what you need if you're going to use this specific type of sandwich maker. And I will show you how I put it on the inside. As you've seen from the clip before, we have some nice looking ones. What you want to do first is after you do your pre-mix, you mix it up and have it ready. You heat up your sandwich maker, of course. Then you want to grease it with some butter, if you have butter, or whatever you use to grease your non-stick pans, if you wish. You know, it's a non-stick thing, but they say grease it, so I grease it same way. You know, I like it greased. Pause. That sounds weird. Okay, I don't know if it was a pause moment, but yeah. So after you grease it now, you let it heat up until you get whatever clicking lights or light that shows you that, yeah, your machine is ready. And then you put in your butter. I'm gonna show you that now. I don't really fill the cup that I'm measuring with all the way. Maybe like half cup. And even if I fill it all the way, I want to make sure that when I am pouring it in, I'm gonna show you what I do. When you're pouring it in to the sandwich maker, you want to just fill this little inner section, not the entire thing, you know, not all the way around, just the little inner section. I'm gonna pour it in and show you know what it looks like. Okay, so look, fill that section right there. That's it. You pour the rest in this section. Boom, that's it. Fill up again. Put a little bit here. Cool. Then put a little bit more here. This might can take a little bit more, so you know. And make sure you have like napkins laid down because it's gonna get a little bit messy. And after that, now that's it. You put it in there and you close. I have my timer right up here. I don't know if you guys can see it. I have my timer right up here set for 2 minutes. So just hit the start on that. If you're the type of person that like your pancake to have a little brownish to it, then you probably can leave it for do it for like 3 minutes. The butter helps to kind of give it that nice little brown look. Let me show you one that I did earlier with the first set with the butter. I don't know if you can see it. It's probably kind of, you have a little brownish to it. This is like 2 minutes. So if you want it to have a little bit more brownness, then you know, 3 minutes. You run 3 minutes with it, and you should get that. So when that finishes, then I'm gonna show you how it look, and also give you a preview of the taste test. I tasted one before, so I'm not gonna front for the camera. I tasted one before. Tastes like pancake, you know what I mean? It's just, you know, a nice little fun shape that I'm sure that children will love. But if you're a big picnic like me, that's it. You're gonna love them things. You're gonna say, So what is my fat? Alright people, so it's the set that I did before this. The camera wasn't rolling when I was taking them out, so you guys will now see me take out these, you know what I mean, and just look at that. They even have a nice little brown on one side That's gonna happen because you know, it's a sandwich maker really, and it's built to. Okay, shut up, bro. So it kind of built for like sandwiches, but hey, I'm over here doing pancakes inside of it. If you notice how them come out kind of nice and clean. Tell you say I really something for children, you know, because the pit them love them type of thing, and it's square and triangle and all them something there. I did have some leftover fried chicken from yesterday when we buy KFC, so I just set up a plate and then get into the taste testing. I don't really have taste test because we know how pancake tastes already. I just pancake on a sandwich maker. But I go mash down some items. I'm gonna see what go on. There you go, people. That's the plate up of everything. I mean, I don't think it's only limited to being eaten with chicken. Of course, it's pancake, so you can eat it with anything. Pancake and whatever you eat pancake with, you can have it. You can have 2 strips of bacon and some egg and them thing there. You just have some fun-looking pancakes. You know, really. And of course, you can't have pancakes without a little bit of syrup drizzled on top right there. You know, drizzle a little syrup. If you also want to know the pancake batter that I use is the same Aunt Jemima premix. Of course, homemade pancakes taste far superior to the one in the box. But the one in the box, I want to have some do that. I don't really have the time to make none. So let's go on in, you know. They're cooked good. Soft and fluffy. It's triangular pancakes made from a sandwich maker. A spicy chicken from KFC with the pancake them. Delicious. Of course, I know it's a pancake and not really pancake. Chicken and waffles is a thing in America. You know, really out of it. I feel like I'm gonna start a chicken and waffle place in Jamaica and buy a KFC chicken and then sell it back to them with my sandwich maker. That sound like you could have make money. Bad man and half, man. They say I'm fat. So what if I'm fat? I can't lose weight, you can't lose ugly. It's nice, people. It tastes real good. It tastes real good. I like it, man. Nice little lunch. Or maybe for breakfast. I can do that, man. I can't do it in a pot. Like the way you want to do. I'm not forced to do it. You have to look for me so far. For my college youth, them now. Well, I think college really a kid. It's a nice little idea, yeah, if you have a sandwich maker. You don't really want to run go down in the kitchen and you have a plate in your room with some water. Whip it up, boom. And you make something eat in your room, easy. Easy. Say you get some chicken from somewhere and you want something to eat with it. You have some pancakes, you have a sandwich maker. Easy. I eat this, whip up this, you know. While I'm having here, you know something I always think about. Whenever I think about the first somebody forget something wrong. Think about something that you are good at right now. And then think about the very first person to try that. Them not have no guidance, no nothing. So you can imagine the amount of hell where them take. See, just to get it right so that you're able to do it with ease now. The level of determination with them have it out of this world. So big up all our people them who are in a life and them get it wrong first and never stop till them get it right. And them make a lot of things the way they right now. You can't just stay up on camera and eat for too long, so I'm gonna take with myself. I hope this was helpful to you, and if it was helpful to you, you know.
No, Kevin, big up yourself for that, brother. I never know you can do that. I didn't think about it, but I never try.
No, you know so you can do it. Just follow my little steps them. And probably come out successful also, you know. So I'm gonna take with myself, see? Idle idea! And that's what we call this, idle idea. I'm gonna enjoy some food. Look, come on.